So we're shoring up the structural integrity of the farmhouse here. And as you can see, I had to replace this top plate on top of this block wall. And I also had to sister some new boards to the existing floor joist to repair some previous water damage. Unfortunately, this space has more than just this issue. The roofing system actually started to sag, and I'll take you up there in just a second. But you can see that I've got these jack stands here, and they're supporting the flooring system, so that way I can jack the roof up upstairs. So behind me here, you can see this open cavity. There used to be a sliding glass door here, but unfortunately that sliding glass door was not installed correctly. They didn't put a header across this opening, so the roof naturally, because of gravity, sagged over time and caused that sliding glass door to not be able to work. So I've removed the sliding glass door, I've cut out some old studs, I fixed all the water damage and everything from the old door that was in there, and we're now jacking up the roof so that way we can get everything back level to where it needs to be so we can get this space framed in. All right, well, I got the jacks out and got the wall framed up, so we're good to go. Now, this wall is just temporary. We're planning on putting a window in this area, so I'm just getting it framed up so that way I can button it up for winter since it's going to start getting cold. I just want to be able to keep the weather out. Thanks.